Hey y'all, what's poppin'? What it do? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's me, Dae Luxe, and I'm here with a wig unboxing from ISee Hair. This is my first time purchasing from them. I spent $152.55 on this wig. It's 16 inches, 13 by 4 frontal, water wave, and it comes with Swiss lace. I'm gonna link all the information down below for you, and let's just get into it. I've had this wig, I want to say I received it on Valentine's Day, and I kind of just been throwing it around, and it's really squishy. So I don't know what's in here. Oh, and if you purchased from them before, like bundles or a wig or anything, share your experience in the comment section. I feel like that information will be helpful for anyone that's considering buying from them. Like, let us know. Is the hair shedding? How's it doing after a wash? Like, what's up? Let's talk about it because the girls want to know. This is what I was feeling. What? I didn't even know. Ooh. I didn't even know they made these type of squishy things, and it like fits the box perfectly. That's really cute. That's cute and smart. But this is the packaging. Okay. This is the wig. It says water wave, 150 density, 13 by 4, Brazilian hair. Oh, and one thing on our site is it gives you the option to choose the type of hair you want. So it had Peruvian, Malaysian, Indian, all of that. And it was a little overwhelming, but I Googled and it said for curly hair or something like that texture is best. It holds the curl. I don't know, but I went with Brazilian because I'm familiar. Comes with a elastic band that I never put on a wig. I just use it to lay the edges. An elastic band, lashes, wig cap, a piece of jewelry. Can you see? I don't know what this is. It's a star. Is it for your nose, for your ear? I don't know. I have a satin bag. These are always nice. And then it's like 2 cards. It's like 2 cards in the bottom of the box or whatever. Okay. Regular degular. Let's get into this hair real quick. And I also did an unboxing and an install on this wig if you're curious. As you see, I'm rocking it. And this is a 13 by 4. And this is kind of how I do my little side parts. I think that's kind of cute. Anyway, let's go ahead and open. Okay. It's wavy. It's not looking water wavy though. Like, am I tripping? Hold on, my computer is right here. Let me Google. Hold up. Let me Google images. I don't know. I can't even remember what the girl, the model, the little. Oh. Yikes. Okay, well, this is water wave. Okay. This is how she's looking. I mean, I guess it is like a wave. I guess it's looking wavy. I don't know what I was expecting. I think I was wanting more of a... Maybe I'm going to get that like once I style it. I think... Relax, girl. Relax. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. The hair is really soft. Yeah, the hair is really soft. And the Swiss lace. I believe it's a lot lighter than like a regular lace. I can't remember. I'm gonna have to go back and look at this unboxing to see. But I want to say that this lace was like a little brown. This one looks like like really light, but I can easily like tint it or whatever, and it feels more flexible. Okay, it's a regular wig, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig off, and when I come back I'm gonna have this on my head so I can vibe with it. But I mean, alright, so this is it on my head. I got my comb, some water, and my mirror, just so I can get a feel. Like, I don't... But let me spray it. Okay, let's see. Why the ends look like this? Like, baby, this is 16 inches, but you can literally see, like, it's full right here. Like, if I were to cut this off, this is a bob. Like, it looks really full here, but look at the ends. What is that? Y'all, I'm so cold, and I have my heated blanket on my legs. I'm like freezing, but like, what the heck? Hold up. Let me take this wig off and come back again. Okay, I'm back. It's not like drenched, but most of the hair is wet for the most part, and I don't like it. I feel like this is 16 inches, but like the ends of the wig is looking real like scraggly. And I mean, I don't like the water wave curl pattern. Like, it's just a little too tight for me. I don't know. I think I would rather deep curly or like loose wave. Like, the water wave is just giving too much of a something. I don't know. I think the hair would look nice if it was longer. Maybe 20 inches or even like 28 the longer. It would look a little bit better. But this little Bobbiana, it's just not getting. And maybe I just don't see the vision. Like, maybe I'm not embodying the wave. And again, I always, like, when it's my first time buying from a company, I don't want to spend too much money. You know, your girl, I'm on a budget. Unsponsored. I said I got about $160 I can spend on the wave. And I like to wear this for like maybe a month or two, and then I'll come back and update y'all. I usually do my updates in my install video. And if the hair is not shedding and it's holding up and it's doing what needs to be done, then I might purchase and spend a little bit more money. You know, I might get some longer. But for right now, we're gonna have to make this work. Ciao. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you come back for the install and the update, and drop some wig sites down below so I can get around to trying them. I believe I'm trying the Doula next. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned. Your girls, I'm gonna have them coming. But I love you. Thank you again. I appreciate you. And I'll see you in my next video.